What's up everyone, it's me Melody. So today I have another Amazon haul. So I got 2 more of the 5-pack storage containers. This is what they are. So I got 2 more of those. Excuse my voice, I just ate. And then I got this 1000-piece. It comes with a lot of stuff. I might end up buying me another one of these around like later, so I will open this up and show everything that's in it in a second. And then I got another one of these because the other one I tried to order, I had to cancel because it was taking forever to get here. I did not have the patience for it, so I just got another one. So you've already, if you look at my last few hauls, I show what's in here, so I'm gonna show what's in this. So this is everything that comes in it. So you got the smaller flowers and then the bigger ones compared to my nail. And you got the caviar beads, smaller and bigger ones. And then this is supposed to be a mix of butterflies, bears, some shoes, a jellyfish. I think that's what that is. You get like a really good mix of stuff, which I'm excited about. And then these I've been looking for. So you get roses and different type of flowers. You get some butterflies. Oh, and you also get snakes. And then in this one you get moons, hearts, some candies. I think that's rose. And then this one, I think that's a purse. Then you get like more stars. These little bats that are right there. Some peaches or hearts or whatever those are. And then this one you get some starfish, perfume bottles, these little, I don't know what that is. I think it's like a makeup thing or a wand. You get lips. You're supposed to get koi fish too. I think that could be in another bag. And then the last one right here is bows. More different types of butterflies. What is that? I don't know what that is. So that is everything that comes in this set. So I got it because the reviews are really good. And then this just has different bits of charms. You should see in my last video, I have this all organized, which I'm going to organize it some more. Add this to it. So that is it for my haul. I do have more stuff coming. So I ordered the containers that are like just half of this size to come in. So I'm just waiting on those. And then I'm waiting on a few more charms to get in. And then that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.